Hey guys, so he's showing you how to take apart and put together a square one. First, you're gonna have to take off both of the lids, both of the caps, and unscrew it like this. Just unscrew the whole thing until you can take out everything. Until you can take out the whole thing. So you can take it out like this, and you can take this like this and split in half. And this is what the middle. So here, actually, let me take this and then see this little thingy. Put the little bolt inside and keep it in the bolt like this. And then what we're going to do now is this is the halves, and it's just going to take off everything pretty much. And this is what it looks like together. Just looks like this. And then now, at this point, now we're going to take this side and then put on pieces. Just going to insert the correct pieces. Now on this side, it's going to be the yellow side / black side, and this, and then the green, and then you're just going to insert those types of pieces. So we're going to look for a green edge like this one, and then insert it in the cube. Just going to slide it in like this and slide like that. And I'm going to take another corner, another black, orange, green, orange piece, or it has yellow. Then you're going to insert a yellow and black edge here. Like so. Now we do the same thing on the other side. This side, it's going to be white. Green, white. So it's going to be really simple. Just going to slide the pieces in. Slide it in. And then go slide in the edge. Like this. Slide in the edge. And then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Just going to go on the black side and insert all the stuff on the black side. Just slide in everything on the black side that needs to go on the black side. Like this. And slide in the edge. And then we're going to slide in this edge. And then slide in the last edge right here. This and just drop it in like this, and then flip over to the other side and then drop in the edges. This, and then put in the last edge like this, and then put it in like this. What we're going to do is put in the screw and the little nut and the little other piece into here and screw it the first couple times. I bet just keep this screwing it in until you finish. And then when you finish screwing it in, Gonna just put in the caps like this. And then you should be done. Like that. Now anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.